I just love the sound of the coqui. Don't you just love it? Listen. Shh. Dios los bendiga. Cuídense. Beautiful people. I know you can't see anything, but neither can I. So now you get the real experience. Let me tell you what time it is right now. It is 7:26. 7:26. We're gonna get back late, but it's worth it. Oh, listen to that sound, listen. Ah, it's beautiful. Okay, we're continuing up the road. We went all the way back to the end and we're working our way up. Say hi, Jorge.
Hello. Hi.
This is Jorge. He is from Puerto Rico. ¿De dónde?
De San Juan.
De San Juan. Pero conoce, he knows this area very well for some reason.
I have relatives and family.
Oh, okay. Excellent. In fact, we wouldn't have found the 91-year-old lady yesterday had it not been for Jorge. So if you watch this video, say hi Jorge, Jorge, and thank you, God bless you, because he was amazing. And listen to that. El sonido del coqui me encanta. Y se escucha bien fuerte aquí. Menos
Eso es que nos estamos
generador.
levantando, contentos.
Sí. Okay. Wow. This is great. Okay, let's go to the next street. Buckets. What was the word you said for bucket here in Puerto Rico?
Cubeta.
No, cubeta.
Los buckets de limpieza.
Yeah, ¿qué dijo
Cubeta, paila de.
¿Qué dijo ella?
De limpieza.
Yeah.
¿Sí?
No, ¿cuál fue la palabra que usó ella?
Okay.
Never mind. I thought I was going to be able to give you a Spanish lesson, but forget it. I'm just going to turn this off. Goodbye.